this video, I will show you our best Binance referral code that will give you 20% discounts on all of your trading fees and up to $600 in bonus rewards. The best Binance referral code is BBK640Y5 right here on the screen. Now, when you use this code while creating a new Binance account, you can get the best benefits possible. Or you can use the direct link in the description and in the comments, which automatically applies our code so you don't have to. Or you can also use the code in the detailed guide article that we have created. It gives out the same exact benefits, so you can choose either one. Our codes give you up to 20% off spot and futures trading fees for life. And on top of that, Binance offers welcome rewards worth $100 in USDT in trading credits or bonuses. You may also gain access to exclusive campaigns and rewards programs that are only available through our referral links that can potentially earn you up to thousands of dollars in free money. If you're actively trading, even a small fee reduction can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Now that you know the benefits, let me show you exactly how to apply our codes to get huge rewards. First, click the Binance sign-up link in the description below. It will take you directly to the official registration page. Then, during sign-up, make sure to enter referral code BBK640Y5 in the referral ID box. Now, this is very important to unlock all of the bonuses. After creating the account, complete KYC verification as soon as possible. Next, make your first deposit. You can use either P2P or bank transfer or crypto direct deposits. Then finally, head over to the rewards hub. Now this is where Binance provides a list of simple tasks, such as making your first deposit or placing your first trade. As you complete these tasks, your available rewards and bonuses credits will begin to unlock up to thousands of dollars. And that's it. Enjoy your free money. And one last time, our code is BBK640Y5 right on the screen and link in the description below, giving you 20% off trading fees for life and up to $600 in welcome bonuses and even thousands of dollars in exclusive task rewards. Like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and I'll see you in another video. Daily out.